Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to share your location on iPhone. Before you can use the Find My app to share your location with friends, you need to set up location sharing. Note, location sharing is finding people aren't available in all countries or regions. If you set up location sharing and others still can't see your location, make sure location services is on settings. Now set up your location sharing. Go to the Find My app on your iPhone. Tap Me at the bottom of the screen. Then turn on Share My Location. The device sharing your location appears next to From. If your iPhone isn't currently sharing your location, you can tap Use this iPhone as my location. Note, to share your location from another device, open Find My app on the device and change your location to that device. If you share your location from iPhone that's paired with Apple Watch, your location is shared from your Apple Watch when you're out of range of your iPhone and Apple Watch in your wrist. You can also change your location sharing settings in Settings. Then, set a label for your location. You can set a label for your current location to make it more meaningful, like home or work. When you tap Me, you see the label in addition to your location. Go to the My Find app on your iPhone, tap Me at the bottom of the screen, then tap Location. Now, select a label. To add a new label, tap Add Custom Label, enter a name, then tap Done. Now, to share your location with your friend, tap People at the bottom of the screen, tap Plus, then choose Share My Location. In the To field, type the name of a friend you want to share location with or tap plus and select a contact. Then tap Send and choose how long you want to share your location. You can also notify a friend or family member when your location changes. If you're a member of a family sharing group, see Share Your Location with Family Members. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.